By now, most of you are familiar with journals and the double entry accounting system. You've understood how they fit into the components of the accounting equation. You've understood how or what are adjusting entries, and you know how to populate them on a worksheet. So now we want to remind you that it's very normal as an accountant to make mistakes, to make errors with your debit entries and your credit entries. Either you use the wrong account or you use the wrong amount, which means the end result is you will not get your financial statements to be accurate or correct. So we have to walk you through what is called correcting entries. As the title suggests, it is an avoidable step. That simply means if you do not make an error or mistake in your accounting entry, then you don't need to put through a correcting entry. The best way to understand this is through some simple illustrations. Case number 1. On May 10th, Mercato journalized and posted a $50 cash collection on account from a customer as a debit to cash and a credit to service revenue. The company discovered the error on May 20th when the customer paid the remaining balance in full. So we already understand what the incorrect entry was. We know what the correct entry should have been, and we now know how to put through a correcting entry to fix the problem. So easy way for students to understand this is I put through a credit initially to the wrong account, service revenue, when I should have put it to the right credit account, which is account receivable. So the best way to do a correcting entry is to transfer the balance from the service revenue account to the account receivable account. So that is an example of a correcting entry for using the incorrect account. Now we give you another example, which is case number 2. On May 18, Mercato purchased on account equipment costing $450. The transaction was journalized and posted as a debit to equipment 45 and a credit to account payable 45. The error was discovered on June 3rd. So we are told what the incorrect entry was. We know what the correct entry should have been. Therefore, we can put through a correcting entry. From this example, we know that the error was caused due to the use of an incorrect amount. So to summarize, correcting entries are avoidable as long as you don't make errors with your debits and credits affecting either the account or the amount.